Let there be light.
Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And today we're going to talk about how to light a large space.
If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Claire?
All right, so a few months ago, we built this pole barn. And this pole barn is really large. It's 50 by 80, so it's 4,000 square feet. And we were looking for a lighting solution because we're out in the middle of the country. There's absolutely no light at all at night and it's pitch black. So my son was doing some research, my son James. So he found this light that's made by a company called Intertech, and it's the Grand Lumen, and it's the LED UFO high bay. And kind of fun that they call it the UFO because it does look like a UFO. And this particular model we got is 150 watts. They also had one that was 200 watts. All right, so as I mentioned, this barn is really big, and I was really concerned that we were gonna need a ton of lights. Like I was thinking we're gonna need 8 or 16. And these are priced around $100, 100 to 120 each. So if I needed to buy 16, you could see that was gonna be a pretty crazy amount of money to spend. But as it turned out, we only had to buy 4, and that may have been overkill because they're so bright. It's like an airport runway. And when you're here working at night, it is truly amazing at how it's like daylight in here when you turn them on.
All right, so I'm gonna turn the light out, then we'll put it back on. You can see how bright it is in this barn. All right, so you can see it's pretty dark at night out here. Whoa, check that out. I mean, that's just 4 lights. This barn is
50 by 80.
And just 4 lights are illuminating the entire space. Very impressive.
So, as far as cons, the only thing is, maybe the price, at over $100 a light, it does seem expensive. But as far as the pros go, the illumination is incredible. And in addition, because they're LED lights, they don't really cost much to run. We haven't used them extensively, but we haven't really noticed any difference in our electric bill as we've been using them. To have this much space lit up so brightly and not have it show up on your electric bill is a pretty awesome deal for us.
On our channel, we always like to show how we do everything, and it was my intention to show you each step of the way. I was working at another property, and when I got back, Caleb, who had done the install, it was so fast, they were all installed. So anyway, just wanted to ask Caleb a couple of questions. I remember you saying like kind of the scary part of the job was it's so high in the air and you were balancing on that ladder over there.
Yes, if you're not used to crawling around up there, it's a little bit nerve-wracking with all your tools and things like that. But the install was pretty straightforward. A normal wire, you just cap it off in a box to your main power line. Comes with a little carabiner safety hook that you can use as just a precaution in case the light does fall down or something like that. It won't come and smack you in the head. We used little screw hooks to actually mount the light. The lights do have like a big ring on the back of them, so you can either dangle them lower or keep them up high. They're pretty versatile, and as you can see, they are blinding bright. Install was super easy. The hardest part was just running the wire for them. I would say definitely call an electrician when you're hooking up or doing anything that you're not comfortable with. As far as electric work goes, it's a little bit dangerous.
All right, so the Grand Lumen LED high bay UFO light is absolutely awesome if you need to light a large space like a basement, a storeroom, shipping container, a pole barn like we are. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're gonna put a link in the description below so you can order these exact lights right from the comfort of your home, and Amazon will ship them right to you. And so if you got anything out of this video, if you could hit the like button, that helps out our channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video.
This barn is
50 by 80.
and just 4 lights are illuminating the entire space. Very impressive.